Good evening. Today we will see the three problems which are given in the exercise of mechanics of structures. So problem is a hollow cast iron column has internal diameter 200 millimeter. What should be external diameter of the column so that it could carry a load of 1600 kilonewton without stress exceeding 90 MPa? Means this stress, this is given as maximum stress, and for this maximum stress we have to determine the outer diameter of the column. So we have this column as hollow column. So this is internal diameter and this is external diameter. So di and do. So now given data we have d internal is given 200 millimeter, p is 1600, and sigma allowable. So we have sigma allowable as 90 MPa. Now we have formula sigma is equal to p by a, and then we will put 90 is equal to, so this is sigma allowable, which is 1600 into 10 raised to 3 upon area, and by simplifying this we will get value of area that is equal to 17,777.77 millimeter, and from this we are going to calculate outer diameter. Now we have formula that is a equal to pi by 4 d outer square minus d inner square, and this value we have 1 4 times 7.77. Now we will rearrange the terms, and from this we will get d is equal to 250.27 millimeters. Means here you will get, if you will go for one term, so you have d outer square minus d inner square, and that is equal to 17777.77 into 4, and then from this you will get d outer square that is equal to 4 into 1 4 times 7.77 plus we have d inner that is 200 square, and then if we will take a root of this, then we will get value 250.27. So we can say 250 millimeters. Now if we have to find out thickness t, then we have, this will be d outer, then thickness we have d outer minus d inner divided by 2, and then we will have, this is 250.27 minus 200 divided by 2, and we will get this value that is equal to 25.13 millimeters. That is thickness of this column. Then we have second problem. A mild steel flat 75 millimeter wide, 150 millimeter thickness, and 1.5 millimeter long is subjected to pull of 45 kilonewton. If elongation is 0.6380, find Young's modulus. So we have given data P75, P150, and P45 kilonewton. Delta is 0.638 millimeters. So we have this formula, and then we will substitute value in this. We have P45 into 10 raised to 3 L we have, and then we will rearrange the terms. We will get value of E 9404 into 0.39, or I can write it as 9.4 into 10 raised to 3 MPa. And now if we have to go for GPa, then we have 9.4 GPa. That will be Young's modulus. Then we have third problem. A stepped bar ABCD consists of three parts AB, BC, and CD such that AB is 300 mm long and 20 mm diameter, BC 400 long, 30 mm diameter, and CD 200 mm long, 40 mm diameter. It was observed that the stepped bar undergoes a deformation of 0.42 millimeter when it is subjected to compressive load. So this is given P in Newton. We have to find out value of P. E is given 200 GPa. So we have material same, and then we have load same. Now we know we have formula. Given data we have as shown in figure. Now we have formula delta is equal to delta AB plus delta BC plus delta CD. Now you can see in this, we have this 20 and this value we have 300 millimeters. Then we have 30, 400 millimeters. And we have 40, 200 millimeters. And then if you will put the values, delta we have 0.42. Now I have taken P by E, that is common because we have value of P we have same for all and Young's modulus is same. So if I will take P by E outside, then what will be inside? L by A. So for first L is 300 upon pi by 420 square plus we have 400 for second upon pi by 4 into 30 square plus, so for third, we have 200 upon pi by 4 into 40 square. And unknown is only P. And if we will solve this, then I will get value of P. And that value of P will be 50 kilonewton. That is 50,000 Newton. That is 50 kilonewton. So we have to solve the problems for simple stresses in this fashion. So today we will stop here only. So thank you.